Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check your watch history on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to be updated about this channel. So let's go. Scroll through a delish breakfast receipt, the next date, night spot in town, or a relatable reel, but it vanished before you could save it or share it with your friends. Happens to the best of us at time like this. Don't you wish there was a way to check your Instagram watch history, displaying all the reels you've been? Well, you're be surprised to know that there are some workarounds to find out. So if you want to check your watch history on Instagram, it's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Instagram. You can go to your profile. From your profile, you can tap on the up right corner, the three line over here. Now, you can go to your activity. From your activity, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option watch history. You can just select on that. So here's all your watch history on your Instagram. It's very simple, right? If you don't have these options on your Instagram, you can check on the App Store or Play Store. Make sure that your Instagram is on the latest versions. If there is an option to update your Instagram app, you can just update it first. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your watch history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.